The President and Managing Director of the Port of Piraeus, Mr. George Anomeritis, laid down the three basic objectives of the shipyard zone. NAVSOLP is a 100% owned subsidiary of PPA. NAVSOLP is the result of an agreement from 1995, agreed upon again in 2002 as the zone's organization. It is a services, not a building company. Its sole aim is to help the zone's companies on banking, insurance and social themes. This includes IT and marketing in order to promote the zone on an international basis, its business services and products, employee know-how and be able to approach ship and shipping companies in the zone. Naturally, this is in addition to developing and upgrading the services PPA offers the zone in a more modern manner. NAVSOLP will develop PPA's assets. NEZ will remain in the same geographical location without any change in the area or ownership. NAVSOLP's aim is to upgrade and modernize the infrastructures and their organization. PPA will proceed with a tender invitation for a Panamax dry dock, which will be installed in NEZ's facilities. With its dolphins and crane capability, it will be able to accommodate 3 ships at the same time and will wholly belong to PPA SA. Perama Zone Substructure. The shipbuilding and ship repairing units of Perama rent and utilize the substructure and equipment owned by PPA. The available spaces for ship repairs and shipbuildings are found in the following ports. To be more specific, Perama Port. It is the heart of the Perama ship repairing zone. The area is equipped with 2 floating docks and the ship repairing base. 2,050 quay walls equivalent to almost 56 repairing posts for relatively big vessels. 17,000 square meters of roofing spaces, as well as 155,700 square meters of non-covered spots are available for ship repairs. From the above space, 930 meters of quay wells as well as the 12,800 meters squared of non-covered spots are provided for auxiliary works, which contribute significantly to the accomplishment of ship repairs. Finally, the depths of the port are huge, reaching 12.5 meters. Port of Drapetsona, Mole of Drapetsona. A great part of this port is disposed for shipbuildings and ship repairs. These activities are gathered mainly at the Mole of Drapetsona. To be more specific, repairs are accomplished on 808 meters of quay walls, approximately 26 repair posts, and in 23,000 meters squared of non-covered areas. The port's depths range from 12 meters to 12.5 meters. Port of Irakleos. The Port of Irakleos is the main merchant port of Piraeus. General cargo, bulk cargo and military supplies are mainly transported through there. A small part of the port is disposed to the shipbuilding and ship repairing units, and more specifically, 560 meters of quay walls, or 28 repair posts and 62,000 square meters of non-covered areas. The depths of the port range between 4 meters and 12.5 meters. As a body, 4,603 meters of quay walls, 150 repair spots, 21,860 meters squared of covered areas, and 4,300,800 square meters of non-covered areas are disposed for shipbuilding, ship repairing and auxiliary activities. Finally, we must take into account the 1,200 meters of the coast offered to careening places. This substructure is quite remarkable and can compete with that of major shipbuilding and ship repairing units of our country. Quay's length in particular allows the annual service of a great number of ships. Docks. PPA disposes 4 docks on the whole, 2 dry docks, capacity 35,000 and 15,000 DWT, which are located in the central port, and 2 floating docks, capacity 30,000 and 6,000 DWT, which are located in the shipbuilding and ship repair base of Perama. Cranes. PPA owns 2 floating cranes with a lifting capacity of 100 tons. The one is tugged, while the other is self-propelled. There are also 2 more smaller floating cranes with a lifting capacity of 45 tons and 75 tons respectively. In the ship repairing base, a self-travelling crane and 3 electric firm cranes with a maximum lifting capacity of 22 tons and 30 tons respectively are also available. In the Perama Zone area, more than 400 main enterprises and many more as auxiliaries exist. As a body, these enterprises are categorized as follows: small shipyards, careening places, workshops, machine workshops, steel workshops, boiler workshops, etc. What the first 2 categories have in common is that they utilize a part of the coast owned by PPA, while on the contrary, units included in the third category can be located anywhere in the area.